Yesterday, the US dollar started rapidly gaining in value. However, it failed to maintain investors' interest. Let us find out what happened. An unexpected jump of 9.6% in new home sales allowed the greenback to recoup all the losses recorded on Monday. Notably, analysts had anticipated a decline of 0.5%. Today, the US currency has every chance to continue rising thanks to the durable goods orders data, which may show a 0.6% rise. However, there is still a possibility that the data will fail to meet the forecast. On the trading chart, we see that the euro-dollar pair dropped from the local high of the midterm upward trend. As a result, the volume of short positions jumped, thus pushing the euro below 1.10. However, shortly after that, the single currency returned to the local high, which points to the bullish sentiment among traders. In this slide, if the price exceeds 1.10 and consolidates above it, it may have a chance to reach a new high of the midterm trend. If at the beginning of the US trade the quote slides below 1.10 and stays there for at least 4 hours, a decline may turn into a full-scale correction. In the event of this, the pair may decrease to 1.09. Nevertheless, demand for the euro is supported by the expectations that the European Central Bank will raise the key interest rate by 50 basis points. Quite encouraging news is also boosting the currency. Today, experts of GfK disclosed a report which showed that the consumer climate in the Eurozone's largest economy returned to the level recorded before the situation in Ukraine. The consumption growth points to a faster economic expansion. Against this backdrop, the euro is becoming more attractive for investors. Meanwhile, the pound sterling, another important European currency, dropped by 0.8% against the US dollar yesterday. However, this movement did not lead to considerable changes. The pair is still trading within the sideways channel of 1.2350 and 1.2550. Traders can work in the channel since it's wide enough for speculation. The recent price jump also proves this fact. However, experts in technical analysis suppose that it's better to focus on a breakout strategy. If the price consolidates above 1.2550 on the 4-hour chart, the midterm upward trend may continue. If the price settles below 1.2350, the downward correction will gain force. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.